Number 4, find the amplitude, midline, and period of the following graph. We're going to start with midline again. So remember, midline is halfway between the high point and the low point. Okay, so it looks like our high points are at 2, and our low points are at 0. So the high point is at 2 and the low point is at 0. What's directly between 0 and 2? 1. So the midline in this case is 1. Okay. So that's the midline. The amplitude, remember, is the distance between the midline and the high or low point. So we are looking for this distance right here or this distance right here. Doesn't matter. Either way, this goes from 1 to 2. Okay? This goes from 0 to 1. Either way, that's a distance of 1. So the amplitude in this case is also 1. And then we also have the period. Okay? The period, let's look in our notes for a second. The period is how often the cycle repeats itself. So in this case, we find the period by finding 2 consecutive max points or 2 consecutive min points and subtract the 2 x values. So find 2 consecutive max points or 2 consecutive min points and then subtract the x values. So we have a maximum point here and we have a maximum point here. Okay, this one is at 4 pi and this one has an x value of 0. So my period is going to be 4 pi minus 0, or just 4 pi. So the midline is 1, the amplitude is 1, and the period is 0.